Welcome to our channel. If you want to filter explicit content from your Google search results in Chrome, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable SafeSearch and create a safer browsing experience. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to google.com. Step 2. Click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. Step 3. In the Settings menu, look for SafeSearch Filters and click on it. Step 4. Select Filter Explicit Results to enable SafeSearch. This will help block inappropriate content from your search results. Step 5. If you want to lock SafeSearch settings, scroll down and click Lock SafeSearch. You will need to sign into your Google account to enable this feature. Step 6. Once you sign in, SafeSearch will be locked, and only someone with access to your Google account can change these settings. Step 7. To verify that SafeSearch is working, perform a search query and check that explicit content is filtered from the results. Step 8. If you need to disable SafeSearch in the future, return to the Settings menu and select Show Explicit Results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.